So this is a final project for first-year CAD students, and it's CADD-a-pult project. They're going to prototype and 3D model a working catapult that's going to be competed, and then they also, from there, they produce working drawings. So they create detailed drawings of each part, and they also create assembled drawings of the completed catapult themselves. And yeah, it becomes sort of this full project of not just on computer, but also taking that work and 3D printing it into a real product. We used various materials, foam core, pencils, and all sorts of things to make them go. Final projects are, you never know with catapult, things could fly apart, which they learn from as they go along. We did iterations last week, but to see it all come together this week is really exciting. They've got drawings that are pretty close to being completed. They had working models that were able to fire in front of instead of behind. They all came together, and so it was really impressive to see their diligence with the project.